Hey kids, I'm Bubbo, the balloon hand. Let's float into fun stories and rhymes together. Woohoo!
Stars twinkle softly high in the sky. The moon whispers sweetly, close your eyes. Dreams float like feathers, light as the air, drifting to dreamland, safe in my care. Hush, little darling, snug in your bed. Soft, fluffy pillows rest your sweet head. Nighttime is calling, hush now, be still. Wrapped in my love, so warm and so real.
Sleep, little starshine, deep in the night. Dreams full of magic, shining so bright.
Morning will greet you, sun's golden ray. Till then, my baby, dream while you lay. Hush, little darling, snug in your bed. Soft, fluffy pillows rest your sweet head. Nighttime is calling, hush now, be still. Wrapped in my love, so warm and so real.
Sleep, little starshine, deep in the night. Dreams full of magic, shining so bright.
Morning will greet you, sun's golden ray. Till then, my baby, dream while you lay.
Hello, little stars. Are you ready for a fun spelling and phonics adventure? Today, we're going to learn the sounds and spellings of some magical words. Let's jump right in. First word, star. Let's break it down. S makes the s sound, like a snake. Can you hiss like a snake? Shh. Good job. T makes the t sound, like tapping on a table. Tap, tap, tap. AR makes the sound R, like a pirate. Say it with me. R. Now, put it all together. STAR. Star. You did it. Second word, moon. Next is the word moon. Look up at the night sky. Can you see the big glowing moon? Let's sound it out. M makes the sound, like munching on yummy cookies. O makes the O sound, like when you see something amazing. Wow! Oh! N makes the sound, like a buzzing bee. Buzz. Now, let's spell it together. MOON. Moon. Great job, little stars. Third word, dream. Close your eyes and imagine a magical dream. What do you see? Let's learn to spell the word dream. D makes the da-da-da sound, like drumming on a drum. Da-da-da. R makes the sound, like a racing car. Vroom, vroom. Roar. EA makes the long E sound, like a squeaky door. E. And M makes the sound. You know this one already, just like munching. Now, let's spell it together. DREAM. Dream. Sweet dreams, little ones. Fourth word, fluffy. Next, we have the word fluffy. Imagine a soft, fluffy cloud or a cuddly, fluffy sheep. Let's sound it out. F makes the f sound, like blowing air. Try it. Fur. L makes the O sound, like licking a lollipop. L. U makes the short sound, like when you're surprised. FF makes the same sound as F. Double the fluff. Y at the end makes the E sound, like a happy giggle. E. Now, let's spell it together. FLUFFY. Fluffy! You're doing amazing! 5th word, shine. Our last word is shine. Imagine a star shining brightly in the sky. Let's sound it out. SH makes the sh sound, like when you're being quiet. Shh. I makes the long I sound, like blinking your eyes. N makes the n sound, like we learned before. Buzz like a bee. And E at the end is silent. Now, spell it with me. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. Wow, you're shining bright like a star. Great job, little learners. You learned how to spell and sound out star, moon, dream, fluffy, and shine. You're all spelling superstars now. Keep practicing, keep shining, and remember, learning is fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.